Hello YouTube, it's us again.
Yeah.
And what are you going to show us today?
This. My toolbox.
Your toolbox, huh? Let's push it this way a little.
We got my springs.
Ooh, we got springs. Springs.
Stretchy.
Is it like Sarasota spring, maybe? What else do we got in here? What else you got in here? What do you got in your toolbox? There's spring there.
More springs.
You like your springs, huh? Where'd you get all the springs from?
You.
Me? Where'd you steal them from?
On the floor.
On the floor? I had springs on the floor? Okay. What else you got here?
I got...
Oh, you got screwdrivers. What's this one called? Wait. What's that one? See if it's a star? It's called a Phillips.
Phillips.
And what's a flathead one called?
Flathead.
There you go, see? And what kind of hammer is this? It's a body hammer, obviously.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody that like that hammer?
Arco.
Yeah, Arco. Hear that, Arco? She knows you. What else? Oh, what's that? Oh, look at that.
Mini hammer.
That's a carpenter's hammer. Cool, huh? Where's oh, you got wrenches. Oh, another wrench. Oh, put them on here. What's that called?
A sander.
A sander. It's called a chisel.
Oh, a chisel.
These are called wrenches, right? And what are these called? Vice grips.
Vice grip.
Or locking pliers. See, look at this one. See, look. What's this one called?
A locking pliers.
See, this one's a needle nose one, and that's a regular one. See, they call it needle nose. It looks like a needle.
A wrench. Screwdriver.
What's this called? What's this called? What kind of hammer is it? See this right here?
Yeah.
It's a ball. You know what it's called?
What?
It's called the ball peen hammer.
Yeah, we got two.
Yeah, where'd you get the purple one from?
Arco.
Arco sent you a purple hammer? You didn't send me no hammers. Holy, you're special.
Yours.
Oh, you mind? Look at that. She gave me a purple hammer.
That's mine.
Gotta get it checked out though. It's getting chipped here. Okay, what else you got in here? What else do you got? Oh, you give me the shitty one? Okay. What else? What else is in there, kiddo? Oh, you got a little tack hammer too?
Yeah.
What about those awesome scissors you have in there? See it? Awesome. Look at this.
Play-Doh scissors.
Whoa, Play-Doh scissors. Can't go anywhere with Play-Doh scissors. What else? I see more tools in there.
More
springs. Oh, what kind of screwdriver is that?
Mini script.
No, but see, look, if you look at the end, show it. See, does it look like a star?
Yeah,
it's called
a star.
It's called a Phillips screwdriver, or a star. For all you people that are not tool inclined, stars.
I got more screwdrivers.
And wrenches. Those are wrenches, kiddo. What is that? What are those things? Oh, you hijacked my pencil too? My welder's pencil, of all things. Here you go. What are those things? Where did you get porcelain insulators from? On the floor here? Okay. That makes sense. What else you got in there? I see something else in there.
More springs.
Springs. Well, folks, that's Kaya's toolbox. Hope you like our video. You tell them don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. And why do you subscribe to our channel?
Because it's my channel.
Yeah. Tell them about your channel. Say, go check out Famous Kaya's Toys.
Go check out Famous Kaya's Toys.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's a joy.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to say goodbye now. Bye. Thanks for watching.